Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. Alishanmao here by a beautiful beach right here. And yeah, I have this in my car all the time. So why not we fly it and see if it can handle sea breeze or not. Here you go. MashaAllah, look at that. It's like hovering, right? Look at that. I can just go left and right all the time and let it hover. Yeah, these are really the best places to fly. And make it just hover like that. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Yeah, I have to take care of the wind direction though. It will have difficulty coming forward. But that's where you learn to get used to this bird's reflexes, you know. Look at that, man, mashallah, beautiful. Hover, baby, hover. Yeah, that's the hovering point. A lot of wind coming. Just don't go to the sea, huh? That will be not good if it goes to the sea. Beautiful, man, beautiful. It flies absolutely beautiful. I really made a good decision to bring it back with me. Really made a good decision to bring it with me because this thing is absolutely just fun to fly, man.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?